Let us begin with prayers to Ma Sharda. We are solving practice problems of trigonometric inverse functions. Okay. Today we will prove two problems and we will evaluate these four. Okay. So first of all we have to prove 3 sin inverse x equals to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Okay. This condition is given. So first of all, suppose sin inverse x equals to theta. Sin inverse x equals to theta, where theta belongs to, what is range of sin inverse? It is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. Therefore, x will be equal to sin theta. Now, from this we have to take sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta means 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Putting value of sin theta as x here, therefore sin 3 theta equals to 3x minus 4x cube. This is equation 1 for us. Now I have to prove that 3 theta is in range of sin inverse. Okay, so we will use this condition. Okay, given minus 1 by 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, sine of minus pi by 6 is less than or equal to sine theta is less than or equal to sine pi by 6. But we know that sine is increasing function. So we can inequality will be remaining same. Minus pi by 6 is less than or equal to theta is less than or equal to pi by 6. Now I have to multiply by 3, okay, because I need 3 theta. So therefore 3 into minus pi by 6 less than or equal to 3 theta less than or equal to 3 into pi by 6. Therefore minus pi by 2 less than or equal to 3 theta less than or equal to pi by 2, which is in range of sin inverse. So from equation 1 we can take 3 theta equals to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Putting value of theta, so 3 into sin inverse of x equals to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Okay, hence proved. 3 sin inverse x equals to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Okay, what we have to do? First of all, we have to suppose for this, and then when angle becomes bigger, we have to prove it that it is in range of that inverse function. Okay, so 3 theta we proved that it is in range of sin inverse. Okay, now second one, that is for cos inverse. Okay, suppose cos inverse x equals to theta. We know that theta must be in range of cos inverse, that is 0 to pi. Therefore x will be equal to cos theta. Now I need cos 3 theta. Okay, so cos 3 theta equals to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. I have to put here value of cos as x. So cos 3 theta equals to 4x cube minus 3x, equation 1. Okay, now I have to prove that 3 theta is in range of cos inverse. So I have to use this condition. Given 1 by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Therefore we know that cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. Less than or equal to x is cos theta and 1 is cos 0. Okay, now we know that cos is decreasing function, so this inequality will be changed. So pi by 3 is greater than theta or equal to theta is greater than or equal to 0. But I need 3 theta, so I have to multiply by 3. So 3 into pi by 3 greater than or equal to 3 theta greater than or equal to 3 into 0. Therefore pi greater than or equal to 3 theta greater than or equal to 0. Thus 3 theta belongs to range of cos inverse 0 to pi. So from equation 1 we can bring cos there, and so 3 theta will be equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x, putting value of theta that we have supposed. So 3 cos inverse x equals to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x, hence proved. Okay, now we will find values of these 4 remaining problems. Okay, keep in mind the ranges of the inverse functions. Okay, now this third, cosec of cot inverse of 0. We know that what is cot pi by 2 actually? Cot pi by 2 equals to cos pi by 2 upon sin pi by 2. But cos pi by 2 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1, so equals to 0. That means pi by 2 equals to cot inverse of 0. So putting here pi by 2. So equals to cosec of pi by 2. But we know that cosec pi by 2 equals to 1. Okay, so answer is 1. Now fourth, cos inverse of cos 2 pi by 3. Okay, now 2 pi by 3 is in range of cos inverse. So this inverse compound function of inverse function and function itself will give identity function. So the answer is 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. Okay, now fifth, that is cos inverse of sin pi by 7. So we have to put here in place of sin theta, we have to put cos pi by 2 minus theta, because we know that sin theta equals to cos of pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, so equals to cos inverse of cos of, taking LCM, 7 pi minus 2 pi, so that is 5 pi by 14, and we know that 5 pi by 14 belongs to 0 to pi. Okay, so answer is 5 pi by 14. Okay, and this last one, sixth. Okay, that is sec inverse of cosec pi by 8. So we have to write like this, sec inverse of sec of pi by 2 minus pi by 8, because we know that sec pi by 2 minus theta equals to cosec theta. Okay, so now sec inverse of, this is 4 pi by 8 minus pi by 8, so it is sec 3 pi by 8, and we know that 3 pi by 8 belongs to range of sec inverse, that is here 0 to pi minus pi by 2. So the answer is 3 pi by 8. Okay, prepare well. Bye.